It's ITV1, and it's time to push the button. Please welcome your hosts, Ant and Dave.
Already. Hello and welcome to Push the Button, the show where two families battle it out for the chance to take home a massive cash prize.
Thousands of families applied for this show, hundreds auditioned, and tonight two more are ready to play a bunch of very big, very silly games.
Neither of them had a clue they'd made it onto the show until we turned up unannounced on their doorstep on Monday morning.
And when we do turn up, the reaction usually goes something like this.
Oh my God, I can't believe it! I'm on the show! I'm on the show! That's amazing! I'm going to be the telly! I can't stop screaming! Something like that.
Along those lines. This week we went to Carmarthenshire and Nottingham. Here's what happened.
It's 8 o'clock Monday morning and we're at a primary school in Wales.
We're here to surprise Donna from the Lewis family.
I'm glad I've caught you. Do you know what? I need you to come to the classroom just quickly.
She thinks she's coming to see the head teacher. She's not.
You're fine to come to the Steddfod now, then.
Here we go.
Oh, there you go. You just go in.
Morning. Hi, Donna.
Are you all right?
Hello. You all right there?
I'm going to cry up my pants.
So just take us through who's on the team.
There's 5 of us, obviously, in total.
Yeah.
We're all sisters. I've got 2 older, Heidi and Gail. And they're a set of twins, Lindsay and Louise. So...
And Lindsay and Louise, are they at home together?
Yes.
So we're going to walk straight in, because in Wales, we don't knock, we just go straight in.
Straight in. Come on, come in.
Oh.
So you probably worked out by now. You're on the show this week. So we've got Gail, we've got the twins, but there's one sister missing. Who's missing?
Yeah, Heidi's missing.
Heidi.
Yeah.
Oh my God, where are we?
Come in.
I don't know if the other team knows what's in store for them. Dear me.
If we won the money, we'd take all the children and all the families would go and have an amazing holiday.
I'm desperate to get a nice set of husbands. Really, I am.
We've now come to Nottingham to surprise Leanne Russell.
She thinks she's out for a day's pampering with her mother, but we've got other plans for her.
Right, do you want to come back over for me, then?
Yes.
Yeah, that's good. My friend works there.
Oh, does she? It's not been open that long, has it?
Who's your team leader?
Alita, my sister.
We should give her a ring then, should we?
Where are you?
Just driving home. Bye.
I hope you're on the hands-free, are you?
Yes, oh my God!
Hey! Where are you going?
She's run away. She's run off.
How are you, right?
I feel sick.
Oh,
So this is it. Team Russell.
What have we let ourselves in for?
If I won some money, I would definitely buy designer shoes. Just one pair, maybe two, but definitely shoes. Maybe three.
So, with two all-girl teams, it's ladies' night here on Push the Button.
Yeah.
On the one hand, that's a real treat.
But on the other hand, it means we've had to have a long, hard think about tonight's show. This week's games were going to be getting the lid off a jam jar, reading a map, and not talking during the football. But now we've got two teams of girls who've had to change them all.
We'll soldier on though, won't we?
We'll soldier on.
We will. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Lewises and the Russells! Looking gorgeous, I have to say. Welcome to the show, girls. Ready, Lewises?
Yeah! Ready, Russells?
Yeah! Ready, everyone?
Good, first things first, we're going to give you both £100,000. What is the catch? Neither of you are going to finish the show on that amount of money. You see, you're going to go head-to-head in 4 games that are all specially designed to knock money off that total. After you've played those 4 games, the family with the most money will get the chance to win the lot when they challenge Dave at the end of the show.
OK, then, let's get started with game number 1. Our families don't know who'll be playing it, so I can now reveal that first up for the Lewises is... Donna!
And kicking off tonight for the Russells is... Leanne. So Donna and Leanne, come and join us for the first family face-off.
I have to say, Donna, I think that was the biggest reaction of the series so far. Was that because you didn't expect us to be at your kids' school?
I thought maybe if I was to be surprised, it would perhaps be in the house or in work.
Like we've done before at the homes.
And then I was like sort of in between those two things, so it really shook me by surprise.
Now, you thought that if we were to surprise you at all, we'd knock on your door like we have done with other families. So much so that Donna went out and bought a brand new front door. We didn't turn up! I feel a bit guilty now. No one's seen you.